Top 5 best hair removal tweezers are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best tweezers for women from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the Tweezers for Women 2023 price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Pefei Tweezers Set Professional Stainless Steel Tweezers for Eyebrows. Great precision for facial hair, splinter and ingrown hair removal. Black Pefei Tweezers Set contains a pair of classic slant, pointed, and pointed slant tweezers. Perfect choice to handle a variety of jobs. This durable tweezers set is made of number 420 stainless steel, the highest quality stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Designed to remove ingrown hairs and splinters with ease. This is made up of 4 different functional tweezers combined in a fine travel leather holster. Each product enjoys excellent service. Your brows are one of your most important features. Well-groomed eyebrows frame your eyes and highlight your features, so crafting the perfect arch is definitely in your interest. This tweezer set is not only for eyebrows, but also designed to tweeze your unwanted hair, such as eyebrow hair, facial hair, nose hair, splinters, bikini line and all flimsy areas. You've got everything you need to achieve your brows yet. It comes complete in a stylish case that's perfect for gifting or travel for the one you adore the most. This tweezer set won't turn into clutter because it's one of the most useful things in our daily life. Number 2. Tweezer Set, 4 PCS eyebrows tweezers and a pair of scissor with leather case. Great precision for eyebrow, ingrown hair, splinter, facial hair removal by HAWATOUR Multicolor. HAWATOUR Multicolor Tweezers Set comes in a ready-to-use kit. It includes 4 different types of tweezers and a pair of scissors to cater to different needs and requirements. They are slant tip, angle tip, flat tip and pointed tip. Hence it can be used for different types of hair, whether they are fine, smooth, thin, thick or rough. Tweezers with different tips remove hair from different parts of the body. Flat tip tweezers can be useful for removing hair from the eyebrows. Slant tip can be used for removing hair on the skin that often comes with a curve. Pointed tip tweezers can be useful for removing ingrown hair. Angle tip tweezers can remove hair from the triangular area of the lower part of the eyelid. They also can be used to remove hair from other parts of the body without harm to the skin. The little and intelligently sized scissor is a great addition to the entire kit. The tip of the scissors is curved, and therefore it will easily fit the skin. Further, it has been designed to clean excess hair from the roots. It also is considered to be perfect for trimming excess hair from the nose and other parts of the body. When you get these handy tools, you'll also get a beautiful and sophisticated leather case that's designed to hold them. The leather case has a bright yellow color, and the avocado green colored lining also makes it look really fashionable. Each tweezer has an individual pocket, so the tweezers can be inserted into the case when not in use, without falling out or losing them. The tip of the tweezers is protected by a specially sized silicone cap, which keeps the tweezers clean and safe. The tweezers are small in size and lightweight. Because of its compact size and the intelligently designed leather case, you can be sure that you will need only a small space for carrying the tweezers and the scissor while you are on the move. Number 3. Tweezers for Women. Bedace Stocking Stuffers 4-pack Precision Tweezers for Eyebrows. Professional Slant Tip Tweezer Set for ingrown hair. Plucking Daily Beauty Tool with leather travel case for gifts. Bedace Stocking Stuffers 4-pack Precision Tweezers ensures that each tip features a slip-free yet sleek design. You can pluck unruly eyebrow hairs, ingrown hairs, nose hair, facial hairs, all unwanted body hair, fine hairs, splinters, glass, and even the smallest individual hair fast and easy. Removing it without breaking it. Professional precision tweezers made with premium quality surgical grade stainless steel and tarnish resistant coating that is safe for sensitive skin and trusted by beauty gurus everywhere. Professional stainless steel is durable and easy to clean. Engineered with precision aligned tips and calibrated arm tension. Lightweight but so precise. Slanted tweezers kit not only work well for plucking eyebrows precisely and griping or removing small and short individual hair, but also perfect for false lashes and double eyelid affixing. Even you can use these precision tweezers for craft, jewelry making, electronics, laboratory work, etc. Hair removal tweezer tools come with a little leather case. Each tweezer has an individual pocket to keep eyebrow tweezers clean and not as easy to lose, with silicone tip cover to keep tweezers safe. The sharp tweezers are an essential tool for any skincare or beauty routine. It is super suitable for women. Number 4. Niley Professional Tweezers Set of Nail Clippers for Men and Women. Perfect Alignment Grip Best Precision Stainless Steel Kit for Ingrown Hair, Eyebrows, Facial Hair, Splinter, and Eyelashes. 9 PCS. Enjoy ultimate grooming experience with the Niley Tweezers and Clippers Set. Having a hard time clipping your nails and pulling out unwanted hair? Get this fantastic set of premium grooming tools that includes 9 grooming tools. Take advantage of the cuticle scissors, toenail clipper, fingernail clipper, nail file, eyebrow comb, slant, pointed slant, and flat tweezers. All the tools come in an elegant carrying case, giving you more value for money. Safely and conveniently groom nails. Looking for a safe and efficient way to groom your nails? Forget those expensive clippers that are individually sold. The Niley clippers are perfect for precise trimming and clipping of various nail types. They are comfortable and maneuverable, which makes nail care and grooming pleasurable. They are made of stainless steel that is safe on the skin and easy to clean. The sharp scissors and tweezers have a safety cap for protection. Perfectly and easily remove unwanted hair in different parts of the body. Not anymore with Niley tweezers. The set includes 5 different types of tweezers. Each one is designed for a specific purpose and type of hair. The tweezers are great for plucking even small, fine hair. You no longer have to worry about getting the correct kind of tweezer, because this set has them all. The difference comes down to quality. The lower priced tweezers are usually made with low quality stainless steel 409, while the Niley tweezers set is made with grade A 304 stainless steel, which is the highest quality of stainless steel. At the end, you pay for what you get. This box included pointless slant tweezers, brow comb tweezers, flat tweezers, pointed tweezers, slant tweezers, nail file, cuticle scissors, fingernail clipper, toenail clipper, leather case. Number 5. Tweezerman Exclusive T-Rose Slant Tweezer Hair Removal Tweezers. Stainless steel Tweezerman has been shaping beauty routines for over 40 years, bringing high quality and reliable beauty tools to both professional and at-home spaces. With a focus on precision and craftsmanship, our tools deliver expert results every time. Built to last, all of our tools are easy to clean with alcohol, so they are perfect for grooming at home or to bring to the salon. Designed with everyone in mind, our wide range of products can be used across all ages, different hair types, skin textures, and complexions. Professional quality, 25-degree a tree slanted tip is the perfect angle for working against the brow bone. Grabs every hair, every time perfectly aligned. Hand file tips close evenly and firmly to remove hair from the root. Superior calibrated tension for comfort, control, and true precision. Prep your brows starting by opening pores using a warm washcloth will help get your hair ready for removal, and it will also reduce pain. Famous for its quality and precision and Allure's Best of Beauty Award winner since 2001. Tweezerman Slant Tweezer is recognized for its premium and professional quality. Clean tweezer tips after each use with an alcohol wipe or peroxide. Tweezer cannot be sanitized in an autoclave or barbicide. Tweezer cannot be sharpened. Handcrafted in a rose hue, exclusively for Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.